breaking news and global trends. Today, finance and investments, mastering AI and robo-advisors, do's and don'ts for your financial success.
This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial or investment advice. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that's completely changing the game of personal finance, AI, and robo-advisors. These tools can be incredibly powerful for growing your wealth, but like any financial tool, there are right ways and wrong ways to use them. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and let's get right into it. Alright, so you're thinking about handing over the reins of your investments to a robo-advisor. Smart move. But before you do, you've got to do your homework. Look, not all robo-advisors are created equal. You want to find one with a proven track record, a history of delivering solid returns and positive reviews from other users. Take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Listen, I get it. Fees are about as exciting as watching paint dry. But when it comes to your investments, ignoring them can seriously cost you in the long run. Some platforms might seem cheap up front, but hit you with hidden charges later on. Always, and I mean always, read the fine print. Remember, even small fees can eat into your returns over time, so it's crucial to know exactly what you're paying for. All right, let's talk about diversification. Just because AI is involved doesn't mean you can ignore the fundamental principles of investing. Make sure your robo-advisor is spreading your money across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversification is like having a financial safety net. It helps protect you from major losses and keeps your money growing steadily over time. Now, let's be real for a second. As cool and sophisticated as AI is, it's not a magic crystal ball. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is blindly following every recommendation your robo-advisor makes without understanding the why behind it. Use AI as a powerful tool to guide you, but don't be afraid to ask questions, do your own research, and make adjustments based on your own financial goals and risk tolerance.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.
Okay. You've set up your robo-advisor, diversified your investments, and you're feeling good. But here's the thing, managing your money isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. Make it a habit to regularly review your investment portfolio and make adjustments along the way to stay on track. Now, before you think I'm all about replacing human interaction with lines of code, let me be clear. Human financial advisors still have a very important role to play. Robo-advisors are great for managing the day-to-day operations of your investments, kind of like the autopilot feature on a plane. But just like you want an experienced pilot ready to take over in case of turbulence, having a human advisor you trust can be invaluable, especially for complex financial decisions. All right, let's talk about goal setting. It's one thing to say, I want to be rich, but it's a whole lot more effective to have specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Having clear financial goals will not only motivate you, but also help you choose the right investments and strategies to get there. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, emotions. The best investors are the ones who can keep a cool head, stick to their plan, and make rational decisions based on logic and data, not fear or greed. Investing based on emotions is almost always a recipe for disaster. All right, let's not forget about the amazing power of AI when it comes to data analysis. One of the biggest advantages of robo-advisors is their ability to crunch massive amounts of data in seconds. Use this to your advantage. The more information you have, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your money. Last but not least, we need to talk about something that's absolutely crucial in today's digital age: cybersecurity. When choosing a robo-advisor or any financial platform, make sure they have robust security measures in place, like two-factor authentication, data encryption, and fraud protection. Think of it like locking your car doors. You wouldn't leave your car unlocked with valuables inside, right? The same goes for your online accounts. So there you have it, folks. The essential do's and don'ts of using AI and robo-advisors to supercharge your financial journey. By following these tips, staying informed and staying engaged in your finances, you can harness the power of technology to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals faster. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos to come. It helps us to keep the channel growing and to produce new and valuable content.
And remember, good things come to those who wait. Patience truly pays off in the world of investing. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and happy investing.